Hello guys and welcome back to my channel. Today in this quick video I'm going to find out what's going to happen if I'm going to mount two all-in-one flight controllers on a single frame and have each flight controller individually control a set of motors. In order to conduct this test, I've joined two bone 5-inch frames together. I'm using Brother Hobby 2005-2450 kV motors and these two all-in-one AGLRC flight controllers, which are connected to the same battery and radio receiver. So basically these all-in-one flight controllers are not aware of each other and they're only powered through the same power source and also receive the same radio signal. The top flight controller controls the four bottom motors on the build and the bottom flight controller controls the top one. And it's going to be quite interesting, at least in my opinion, to find out how this build is going to behave in the air under different scenarios, for example, when some motors are not in use. As you can see, the drone functions with no problems with all the propellers, and now I'm going to remove one propeller at a time until the drone is going to be left with one motor walking on each arm. So overall, the conclusion of this test is that while this drone definitely needs some further tuning, it's flyable, and this type of build adds redundancy as you only need one motor walking on each arm in order for it to stay in the air. So for example, if between the four top motors only this one is walking and all the motors on the bottom of the frame are walking, and even if only these three motors are going to walk except this one, the build is still going to stay in the air. And in case all the motors are walking and one flight controller is out, you can count on the other one. Now if we take it to the extreme and we would like to add extra redundancy, for example for manned UAVs, you can have a single flight controller for controlling each motor on the build. Anyway, I hope that you find this video interesting, and of course I will be happy to answer any questions that you might have, so just leave your questions in the comments section down below. As always, I thank you for watching my video, I wish you all happy flying, and I'll see you soon on my next videos. Goodbye.